In this video, we are going to see how we can install Microsoft Edge on Windows 11 computer. So let's say that we didn't need that earlier. So we have used external applications and removed that completely from Windows 11. But the question is, we have removed that. How would we reinstall that? Because in store, if we try to open that, it says it's already installed, but it is completely removed from every single area. We won't be able to access it altogether. So here's how you can do it. First of all, just make sure that you have an other alternate browser like Google Chrome or so, and write Microsoft Edge here. Click on download. If it says that Edge is already there, click on close or continue to download the Edge. If it doesn't start to download, click on download for Windows again, and it will download the setup for you. Click on that, click run, click yes. And like the normal downloading and installing process works, it will work in the same way as you can see. So wait for the process to complete, and after that, you should be able to run Microsoft Edge successfully. So that is how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.